This is a review of portable air conditioner. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have inside. These are some of the specifications. Energy guide. User manual. And this is how we're going to install. We have all the instructions here. Batteries came with the box. And here is the top part. Perfect. Here is the area I'm gonna put. And here is the air conditioner. There are different methods you can install these according to different Windows types. As you can see, this is vertical, this is horizontal. First thing is, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right over here. And I will go ahead and pass it through. Like that. However you like, you're just gonna go ahead and screw it. And it's gonna stay over there. We're just gonna put it there and turn it. It's gonna go inside from here. Now we're good to go. Let's go ahead and open it. Wow, check this out. This is very long. Like that. I don't need all of it. Let's go ahead and put it back. It is easy to extend, or you can just put it back like that. Extend. Just gonna go ahead and put it inside. It's gonna go inside. When you check the direction, this is gonna go in and out. You will put it like that. Now we're good to go. You can adjust this area and then you can screw this. First of all, we're gonna check the area. Okay. And I'm just gonna expand this. Go ahead and screw it. We're good to go. And you can close the windows like that. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Now let's see. You can turn on and off here. You can change the mode, down, up, speed, timer, water full, and high, low, cool, dehumidification, fan, and sleep. We can go outside and check it out, how the air is gonna go outside. Let's see. This is how you see from outside. It looks well and professional. Let me go ahead and turn it on and check the temperature. Right now, the room temperature is 75 Fahrenheit degrees. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And we have the lowest temperature, 62. Now it's getting lower, as you can see. Now it started cooling, 72. When you see the dark areas right there, right here, that's the coolest area. How about here? Wow, check this out. The pipe is already warm. When you come over here, everywhere is hot except this place right there. That means it's making it cooler. Let's check the humidification right there. Right now it's gonna dehumidify the room. Let's see the whole picture. How about on the hose? And this area coldest. We have two drainage areas, one at the bottom, one at the top. There are two ways to use it. Either you can close it if it is full, and it's gonna let you know right over here, water full. Then you can just open this area and put the container. You're gonna get the water out and just dump it. Here is the second way. You can just go ahead and put this hose over there. Then you can use a container like that. Then water is gonna go inside. Then you can dump it. You have the timer option. Let's see. Minimum is 1 hour and the maximum is, let's check, it's gonna go up to 24 hours. And here is the maximum. You can change the speed of the fan from here, high and low. And we can change the modes here. Fan right now, cool, dehumidification, and go back to fan again and turn it off. You can adjust the direction of the cold air from here. Let's turn it on. Perfect. And you can control it with the remote controller. You can do whatever you're doing over here on the remote controller. I can definitely suggest this portable AC. You can just carry it wherever you like. And we have all touch buttons. And you can use the remote controller. We have some modes over here and timer. You can change the speed of the fan and change the temperatures, etc. And it is very easy to install. This is 8000 BTU. Definitely suggest it.